Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my students. Today is 16th of March on Monday. Today we will answer these questions. It was homework for you. We'll start from page 477. Question number 3. The energy that moves between objects of different temperatures. This is energy. And we said that the heat is one form of energy. So the right answer is heat. The transfer or movement of heat between two objects that are touching is conduction because it's touching. The transfer of heat within a liquid or gas, it's convection. The movement of heat without matter to carry it in empty space, it's radiation. A material that allows heat to move through it easily, it's conductor, but the material that does not let heat move through it easily is an insulator. Now, question number 14. Rachel tests how quickly different materials change temperature. Rachel heats each one the same way. The table shows the change in temperature. Now this table has 4 materials, numbered materials from 1 to 4. All the materials starting temperature on 19 Celsius degree. Then after heating, the temperature for each one increased. It depends on the thermal conductivity for each one. So the question, which material is the best insulator? Best insulator, it means the lowest temperature because it's do not conduct heat well. Insulator, it's the material that do not conduct heat well, so it has the lowest temperature. Which one from these materials now, after heating, has the lowest temperature? 37, 48, 31, or 42? 31. So, what's the material? The material is material number 3 here. Material number 1, no. P, material number 2, no. C, material number 3. So the right answer is material number 3. Now, question 16. Randall knows that radiation is a form of heat transfer. Which example describes a transfer of heat through radiation? A cup of hot tea warms a hand. A cup of hot tea warms a hand. It means the way is conduction because the hand with the hot tea, they are touching together. So it's wrong. B, a flame warms air in a hot air balloon. Warms air. The air is convection. So it's wrong. C, a bottle of water warms under the sun. The sun, all of us know that the sun is by radiation. Radiation. So the question is by radiation. The correct answer is C. Look at D. D, a pot of boiling water warms on a gas burner. Boiling water, it's also convection, so it's the wrong answer. The right answer is C. Question 17. Trey holds an ice cube in his hand. After some time passes, the ice cube begins to melt. Which term describes the process of heat transfer? Ice cube in hand, they are touching together. So, because they are touching, the way is conduction. C. Number 18. A scientist measures the movement of energy between a pot of hot water and a cold metal spoon. Hot water and cold metal spoon. What is he measuring? He is measuring energy between hot water and cold metal spoon. So he's measuring what? He's measuring heat. A. Question number 19. Jaden has many things on his desk at home as shown in the picture below. Which material was most likely used because it is a good insulator? A. Copper used for the coins. We will observe the material or the metal here. It's metal. Copper. The copper is conductor. So the question is good insulator. This is wrong. B. Metal used for the computer. The metal is good conductor also. Wrong. C. Steel used for the paper clips. Steel is a metal, so it's good conductor. Wrong. D. Rubber used for the lamp cord. The rubber is an insulator, so the correct answer is D. Question number 20. This picture shows a pot of water heating on a stove top. Which statement explains what happens to the water in the pot? Look at the picture here. What happens to the water in the pot? A. The water temperature decreases inside the pot. Is it decrease? No. Wrong. The water will freeze when it gathers enough heat. Is it right? Is the water will freeze after gathering enough heat? No. Wrong. C. Heat energy travels from the water in the pot to the burner. Is the temperature here, or is the heat, is the heat energy transfer from the water inside the pot to the burner? No, wrong, because we said that the heat energy transfer from the object with higher temperature to the object with lower temperature. Which one here has higher temperature? It's the burner. D. Heat energy travels from the burner to the pot and then to the water. Yes, at first the heat energy travels from the stove to the pot, then from the pot to the water, from the highest temperature to the lowest temperature. These are the answers for your homework. Today, inshallah, I will send this worksheet for you as a test. I hope to answer it on your own, inshallah, after studying these two lessons well, please. This is the worksheet. I will send it to you, inshallah. And then after tomorrow, inshallah, I will send the answers and explain the answers with you. Good luck.